time has come for change from a distribution manager to a wide-eyed adventurer. Click here to subscribe. Vaya con Dios, muchachos. Yeah, man. Hello. Just I'm in my digs in Perpignan, and sometimes you get digs that are a bit ropey on there. They're a bit ropey. Most of them are alright, but some of them are definitely ropey. Well, this one's not. This is beautiful little bedroom. It's in a villa. How nice is that? Look at this shower here. Look at this. I'm very lucky to be in here, I believe. I mean, there's even tea, coffee and biscuits. And look out here, look at that view. That's the mountains, Pyrenees. How nice. Isn't that nice? Nice place to be. I've loved my ride into here today. Absolutely loved it. So tomorrow is Spain, which will be quite exciting. I hope I can get across. I'm going to go down the coast road, which is I can't really seem to find out if it's a rough trip or not. Everybody says, oh, I don't know. So anyway, I'm going to go down the coast road into Spain, which is going to be well exciting, isn't it? Yeah, I can't wait. Anyway, I'm enjoying the moment, just being now, and that's what it's all about. So I just thought I'd share the room with you. I've had some ropey rooms, I've had some great rooms, I've met some brilliant people. I haven't met any ropey people really, apart from, well, I did meet, but most people are alright. Good morning. Well, I have to say there is something absolutely wonderful about heading to the mountains. Look at the view here. I'm leaving Perpignan now. Perpignan. And heading for the coast. So I'll see you there. Police there, they've got an illegal immigrant obviously climbing up through Spain. Then I should put the camera around there. What we're doing up here. Okay. Yep. Legal immigrants. I've got my passport. Should be alright. Got a feel sorry for him. I saw one actually crawling out the undergrowth yesterday when I was cycling somewhere. He looked, he had a pair of Bermuda shorts on, but he looked as if he'd just done 100,000 miles per so. You go through a lot to get across these borders. So this is coming up to Cerriba border, and it's the most easterly border between France and Spain. Just hope I can get across. Oh, it might be a border crossing here. I love it. Absolutely love that. Love it. Well, I'm in Spain now. I mean, that's a massive celebration. Absolutely massive celebration personally. I can't tell you how thrilled I am. And the view here is, again, the views around this part of the coast, this part of the world, they've just got to be seen. And I'm really desperate for a piece of cake and a drink. I'd like to have a coffee, but it's like you get to the top of a hill in France and they don't have coffee shops, they have like wine shops. I mean, who wants a bottle of wine? You just want a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, don't you? Anyway, I'm not moaning about it, I'm just saying. Spanish. Yes, Spain. These are the roads I'm just about to go down. But I'm going to have... Oh, and there's some roads I'll have to go up the other side. Have you seen them roads? And hills. We don't mind hills, we just embrace the hills. So I'm going up a hill and I'm thinking, well, I'm not scared of you, hill or mountain. You just got to embrace it and love it, and then you get up a lot easier if you love it. It's my theory. Right, I'm going to have a piece of cake. Bye con Dios, muchachos.